This message is for the patients of Vickery Family Medicine. I want to thank you for being our customers. I want to thank you for trusting us with the great privilege of being the consultants for your health, which is one of your most precious assets. We consider it a high privilege, and we take that trust very seriously. We remain committed to focusing on you and your health. Yes, we have to deal with your insurance product if you have one. And yes, that can create some red tape and administrative struggles. But we're committed to you. We want you to have the opportunity to experience your best health. We believe that a country, a community whose participants have great health will be more capable of serving one another and caring for one another and progressing in the best ways. So we want to help you achieve your best health, and we have many resources to do that. We've gone through a lot of change over time. It's hard growing a primary care practice in our time. The rules of how we deliver care consistently change. There's an enormous amount of compliance law. Our phone systems are challenging. We have an enormous amount of daily information flow in terms of medical records, consultation notes, prescription refill requests, and phone calls. And on top of that, we're very busy seeing our patients in person and trying to make sure we meet their need while they're present in our office. It's a challenging time to deliver health care, but we're committed to doing it to the best of our ability and making the system better. If you ever experience a challenge with our office, I want you to know that we are sorry about that, and it's not intentional. I know our staff and our leadership and our clinicians, they all show up every day to work as hard as they can for you. They care deeply about the work they do. I care deeply about the work that I do. We're all committed to this common mission of providing you the best care and making sure that the healthcare system becomes an improved system for serving patients rather than special interests. But it's hard work. So I know that sometimes our phone systems don't work properly, where you can't get someone on the phone. And I know that sometimes the portal that our software uses doesn't work properly. I know sometimes it can take a little while for us to call you back. I apologize for that. I wish it wasn't that way. I wish we had all the staff and resources we needed to answer every call, to immediately respond to every message. I wish we did, but we don't. Unfortunately, we live in a time where insurance companies only cover face-to-face encounters. But most of our patients need a lot of care beyond their face-to-face encounter, and we want them to be able to have those problems solved. But it's hard when we're also trying to see a full load of patients every day and manage the work that comes along with that. So what I'm asking for is your patience and your trust. To know that if you're experiencing something that you feel is a challenge with our operations or our processes, please be patient with us and trust us. Trust that our hearts are in the right place and that we do care. And if we can have the opportunity, we will make it right. We'll do our best to try and solve any problems. And we'll do our best to continue to improve our phone systems and our technology. And we'll do our best to develop innovative strategies that can give you the access to the resources that you're seeking. But it takes time, and it's always challenging. Our first focus is always the patients right in front of us. That's what you want. When you're in our office seeking care, you want to know that that team is focused on you. And then our next focus is on urgent issues that are coming to our attention. And then finally, we can get around to non-urgent issues. But we will, and we really will try our best. But we ask for your trust and your patience. And then we will continue to work hard for you. So, please, if you experience a challenging situation with our office, communicate with our practice manager. She is committed to finding solutions and helping our patients have the best experience. Thank you in advance for joining us on our mission of transforming healthcare and caring well for our patients. If we do this together, and if we support one another, we will succeed. We will continue to be able to build the resources that help individuals and families experience their best health and also help this healthcare system to be a much better system.